grew up really, really poor. And so I watched a buddy of mine whose dad was a lawyer, and they were pretty wealthy. And I was like, you know what? I don't want to be poor. And so in Canton, they were either the wealthy people were car dealers and lawyers. And I was like, well, and doctors. I didn't want to be a doctor. I wasn't going to own a car dealership because I didn't know how. And so I was like, well, I guess I can go to law school. And so that's why I became a lawyer. And so I went there, and what I thought I would do as a lawyer evolved. I didn't know as a kid, do I want to do transactional or litigation? Didn't really know the difference.
Right.
And just as I got older, I worked around older people who had businesses. My mentor in college had done a bunch of 1031 exchanges on real estate. And so I enjoyed doing that with him and helping him run his buildings. And I remember once he had a tenant at a restaurant, and the tenant walked the lease. And so I had to go in and clean out this restaurant and bar. And we ended up clearing it all out, and we sold the building to a bank, and he 1031 and bought these other buildings. So I was a part of that with him in college. I was like, man, this is kind of fun. And I learned a lot about things that were legal, not even knowing it.